Hey guys, how's it going? Guts here. I just wanted to make a video about setting up your GoPro for a chin mount on your helmet and connecting an external microphone. I've seen a bunch of videos of different ways and different things to use on how to do it. So I was going to show you how I did mine. Obviously I was going to post pictures about it, but so I have a GoPro Hero 4, and the chin mount I have is actually from a little company called A Girl and Her Bike, and I'll link everything in the description below of where I got everything. And I know the Hero 5, now there's the Hero 6, people are saying are better, and I'll tell you why I chose the Hero 4 instead of the Hero 5 or even the 6. And that's because for the external microphone on the Hero 5, if you look at it, the adapter that you plug into the GoPro on the Hero 5, it has a big old block also, and that has to go on the outside of your helmet. And now with your mount, your brackets, you know, and your camera, and then you got that big block on the outside, that's just too much. It doesn't look very nice. And, you know, the Hero 4, it shoots in 4K, which I don't even use. I mean, I figured 1080p, the video looks awesome anyway. So that's why I got the Hero 4. The adapter for it is just a cord. It's just a plug-in. You plug it into the GoPro and then it plugs right into your external microphone. It's not a big block or anything, it's just a simple cord. So that's the main reason why I went with it. Now as for like how I have it set up inside my helmet, you know, there are different videos of people putting it in different spots, and you know, the biggest issue that I see is wind noise and how people are trying to decrease the wind noise in their videos through their external microphones. And one of the biggest things I see is people using dead cats, which is cool and everything, except what I've noticed, at least in the videos, where people put them in their helmets is right in front of their mouth, you know, so they can have the microphone in front of their mouth. And then when they're writing, it kind of like blows the material into your mouth, and you kind of got to wipe it away all the time, and I figured that was annoying. So I just thought if all you need is to put your microphone inside some sort of material to decrease the wind noise, then what better than the padding that's already inside your helmet? So what I did, it was experimental and I'm so glad it worked, was I made a little slit in my padding right here on my left cheek, right by my mouth, and I stuck my microphone inside of there. And, you know, I coiled up the rest of the cord and put it behind the padding inside my helmet, and then just ran it, you know, straight through to my GoPro. And luckily it works. Like, it sounds amazing. You can tell right now, you know, I'm going just about 70, 75, and you can't really hear that much wind noise. And yeah, there's no dead cat stuff blowing in your face, and no extra this, extra that. You just got to make a small little slit in your padding and stuff it in your padding and call it good. And at least for me, it's worked really well. So I'm going to post pictures, obviously. I'm going to show you guys how I have it set up on my equipment. And I'll link everything in the description below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. And yeah, good luck with your install.
He keeps kicking me in the dick. Why? Why does he keep kicking me in the dick?